Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I have part 2 of my 22p Chanel unboxing to share with you. Unfortunately, I still am waiting on 2 more items, but I thought I would just share these 3 items and then I'll do a part 3 when the other 2 arrive. So I'm going to get right into it. It's later in the day and I'm pretty tired. I just got back from picking up this item from the boutique and I wanted to do a true unboxing for that one. The other 2 items I have opened already, but I'm going to start with this smaller one. It's an SLG, as you can see. So right away I didn't put it back in the dust bag because I was actually using this today. So this is the 2.55 reissue style card holder, and this is another new or newer style of card holder that I really wanted to try. The other one in my part 1 unboxing was the pink one with the card slots on the outside, the zipped, the sort of smaller zipped one. This one I also wanted to try because it looks very practical. It has 4 card slots on this side and then another one on this side, and then it fits a whole bunch more in here. And this is a 319 series. And yeah, I tried this out today and it was really great to use. I feel like I'm going to use this a lot because it is in the black aged calfskin. So it's really, really durable and really practical with the outside card slots. I put my most used card right here and it was easy to access it. And I actually didn't have a card holder that was black with gold hardware, I realized, in my collection. So this is fulfilling that need too, as well as allowing me to try this new style. So really liking both these new styles of card holders with the outer card slots. I just find those really useful. So that is the first item. Was really happy to find this. I had been looking for it for a while and it was really hard to find this style. So was really happy to get that one. So that's the first item. I'm gonna do this one next. So you can probably tell what this is based on the type of box it is. And again, I did open this one already. So here's a little hint, some pink shoelaces. And here's all the packaging it came with, the dust bags. And these are the 22p sneakers in the white and pink. And I thought these would look great with the pink items that I got from 22p, the pink bag and SLGs. So I didn't really have shoes that had pink in them like this. So even the sole is pink, which is really pretty. And yeah, the laces are pink. I got them in my true size, 38, and they fit perfectly. Here's the other one. So yeah, I'm really happy with these. They're really pretty. Excited to wear these in the spring when the weather is a little better. Right now, it's not a good time to wear them with all the snow that we have still. So let me set these aside here. Now this one is a true unboxing. I did see it when I picked it up from the store and love it so much, even more than in pictures. So here's the receipt and the paper camellia that probably won't stay on. And here is the dust bag. Ooh, you can see a peek there. To reveal, this is the Denim Flap from 22p in blue, as you can see, with aged gold hardware, and this is the smaller of the 2 sizes. And I absolutely love it. It looks so much better in person than it did in photos. I really wanted, this was at the top of my wish list for this collection because I don't have anything like it in my collection. At one point, a couple of years ago, I did have a denim bag, but it was very different from this. It was like a hobo style. It was called the Jungle Stroll. The style, I liked the denim, but the style just didn't really work for me, so I didn't end up keeping that one. But I love that this is a flap bag. I love how it has the logos all over it. I think it's very 90s, which I really like. I really love this detail where it says Chanel here, where the strap goes through. And I'll definitely do a review on this. I just will have to use it a bit first, but here's the inside. It is a fabric lined bag. And then the strap is chain with the denim running through it. And I love how, because of these two Chanel kind of hooks here, you can double up the strap, so wear it sort of short on your shoulder, or you can wear it crossbody. And yeah, isn't that a cute detail? I really like it. It does have a back pocket, and it is made in Italy, and it has the metal plate there, has one zipper compartment, the back, and the rest is just one big compartment. It seems like it will fit a lot. When I do a review, I'll compare it to other bag sizes. It does look a bit bigger than a mini to me right now. Actually, I have my mini top handle here just to show you quickly for comparison. You can see it's a little bit bigger. Yeah. But I'll definitely do a review because this is a new style, so. But yeah, it's really, really cute. I love it. I really do. I think this will be really fun with some casual outfits, which is mostly what I wear. So that is it for my part 2 22p unboxing. I will hopefully have the final 2 items by early next week, and I'll try to film as soon as I get them if I have time, but by next weekend for sure. So that is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is fashionjunkie33. Thanks so much for watching and have a great day.